Let's explore PHP array functions. In this video, we will focus on map, filter, and reduce functions. These functions are powerful tools for working with arrays in PHP. We will understand each of these functions with examples. Let us discuss about the array map function. The array map function applies a callback function to every element of an array and returns a new array. The syntax for array map is as follows: array_map, with the callback function as the first parameter, and the array to be worked upon as the second parameter. Let's consider an example of using the array map function. In this code snippet, a numbers array is initialized with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The array map function is used to square each number in the numbers array. The square function takes a number as input and returns its square. The result is assigned to the squared variable. The output will be the original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result array which contains the squares of the original array 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Now let's discuss the array filter function. The array filter function filters elements of an array using a callback function. The syntax for array filter is as follows: array_filter, with the array as the first parameter, and the callback function as the second parameter. Let us understand array filter with an example. In this code snippet, a numbers array is initialized with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The array filter function is used to filter the even numbers from the numbers array. The isEven function takes a number as input and returns true if the number is even, and false otherwise. The result is assigned to the evens variable. The output will be the original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the filtered array, which contains only the even numbers from the original array 2, 4, and 6. Let's explore the array reduce function. The array reduce function reduces an array to a single value using a callback function. The syntax for array reduce is as follows: array_reduce, with the array as the first parameter, the callback function as the second parameter, and an initial value as the third parameter. The initial value is optional. Let us see an example for array reduce function. In this code snippet, a numbers array is initialized with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The array reduce function is used to calculate the sum of the numbers in the numbers array. The add function takes two parameters, a carry and an item, and returns the sum of the carry and the item. The initial value is set to 0. The result is assigned to the sum variable. The output will be the original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result, which is 15. Here is a quick summary. The array map function transforms each element of an array and returns a new array. The array filter function filters elements based on a condition and returns a filtered array. The array reduce function reduces an array to a single value. These are powerful tools for array manipulation in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.